First of all, install the app. You can find the app link in the description below. After installing the app, click on create pre-order campaign. Click it here. To take partial payment in Shopify, we need to activate pre-order campaign. Here we need to write pre-order campaign. Here we can set up start date and end date. Here we can customize our button text. Here we can customize our pre-order message. You can customize it according to your requirement. You can see live preview here. After that, here you can enable pre-order badge or disable pre-order badge. We want to set up a partial payment. Click it here. Here you can see two fields. In the first field, we need to enter the amount of payment we need to pay now. Let's say 20% of the product payment, and the remaining payment will be charged 7 days after checkout. So you can adjust it according to your requirements. Here we can set up partial payment text. You can customize it according to your requirements. After that, you can customize the text here as well. After finalizing the campaign, move to the design part. Here we can customize our template. As you can see here, we can change the font as well. We can change the font size as well, payment detail font size as well. Go to the pre-order products. Here you can see different options. Show pre-order button when product is out of stock. If you want this option, you can click here. If you want to show always, you can click here. If you want the pre-order button when the product is in stock, you can click here. Here you can select the option continue selling when out of stock. You can click automatic or manual. After that, we need to add specific products for pre-order or add all products for pre-order. If you want specific product, click here and then click on continue. Here you can select the products for pre-orders. I have selected 3 products. Click on add. After selecting the products, click on save. Here you can see campaign created successfully. You can see that currently it is scheduled. As you can see that this campaign will start 14 July 7:30 p.m. After that, you need to embed the app. Click on activate. Enable the app. After enabling the app, click on save. The campaign is live now. You can see the products that we selected. As you can see, this is the product 99.99 USD. If we click on pre-order and go to checkout, as you can see due today $20 and due after 7 days $99.05. So this is it for this video. If you need any assistance related to Shopify, you can send your query to my email or send me a message to my LinkedIn profile. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.